How to log in into HomeStreet Bank online banking account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open any web browser and search for HomeStreet Bank here. Now tap on the main website of the bank. Let's wait for it. Now after you come across this page, what you have to do is tap on the account option right beside the search bar. Now over here there are various options you can see, but for now we are just tapping on personal. Now over here you have to enter your user ID here. Now let's enter mine. Now after entering your user ID, you can tap on continue. Now if in case you entered a different user ID, then you can see the option below which says enter different user ID, and you can enter that ID accordingly and you'll come across this page. Then you can see the option of continue with security code. We have to tap on it. Now after tapping on it, you will come across this page over here. You can see various options here. Now over here you have to select one phone number to which you want to receive the code. And you also have the option if you want to get the code from the call or you want to get the one-time OTP code from the text message sent from the bank. Now after selecting these options, you can simply tap on continue here. Now in case your phone number is not listed, you can see the option of my phone number is not listed and enter your phone number accordingly. Now after following these steps, you'll come to this page where you have to enter your one-time security code that has been sent to you either through phone call or text SMS. So don't forget to check that. So that's all, and at last you have to tap on submit. So that was all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.